Hello, my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and friends. And tonight, I fancy a burger, but not any old burger. I've got some chilies, only mild ones, just enough to give it a little bit of a kick. I'm going to mix it with the mince. I'm going to make them into hot dog shape, put them in a hot dog bun with some cheese, some fried onions on top, maybe a bit of sriracha sauce, and Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. The first job is I've got a chilli. A red chilli, mild one. Just take the end off. Throw that piece of shit. Take that end off. Then I'm just going to go in half. I want to leave the seeds in because that's where the heat is apparently. And just basically fine chop these as best you can. You know what I mean? So I'll crack up with these and we'll be back. And that is your chilies chopped. Incidentally, yes, I've invested. I've got a new 10-inch F-Dick German steel steak knife. Sharp as fuck. Well, it won't be for long, will it, in this cooking kitchen? As you can see in that bowl, I've got my chilies. There goes my mince. We're going to throw in there. Going to open it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Good job with a kilo of garlic in this house. Yeah, that was garlic. Some pink Himalayan salt. And some black pepper. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to get all this mixed up. Try and get all the chilies in all the meat. If I have to keep it on the top, that is. I'll keep kneading this for a bit. And incidentally, don't knead it too long because otherwise your mince will end up compacted and it'll end up fucking dry and tough as shit. This mince I'm using, I forgot to mention that as well. The mince I'm using is minced beef short rib. Flat rib, well, I don't know what else you call it, other words, but it's probably a good 75 to 25 mix of meat to fat, which is perfect to keep it moist, keep it tasty. Right, enough of me waffling on. Let's form this bag of shit into hot dogs. So there it is, all mixed in. I've made enough for about 2. So, just cut it in half with a knife. And basically, we're going to make this into a hot dog kind of shape, don't we? We don't want it too thick because we want it to cook at least. We don't need it cooked. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I'll tell you what, that is really, really soothing. Oh, let's not go too far in. No, let's come out a bit. There you go. Something like that. Oh, isn't that a thing of beauty? Babe. Right, I'm going to put my big massive chili turds in here. Now, they're quite thick. They're quite, they're big actually. So, I don't know how long we're going to cook these for. Probably for about 10 minutes. And constantly keep turning them so they get browned on each side and they cook basically right through. So, you don't want to see that shit, do you? So we'll be back after that. Jesus, I think I might have overdone it in fucking chilies in that one. Oh. Oh, God. Now that we're done. But I've overdone it with the chilies. It's supposed to be mild. Oh, what the fucking killing me. Oh. But get these out. And air the fucking house out. And throw my onions in. So, I've aired the house. We've all recovered. We nearly had to get air ambulance. It was that fucking bad. But we didn't. So I've got my hot dog buns. Hot dog, but I can't speak. Fuck, I'm delirious. Got the cheese in it. I'm going to bang him in the oven for 10 minutes on 180. Just let that cheese melt in there. Then we're going to go in with these fucking sticks of dynamite with some onion. And, well, I don't know if we'll need the sriracha sauce, but it's going on anyway. So, brothers and sisters, I've definitely recovered now until I eat this stick of dynamite. There's our hot dog bun with the cheese melting in it and toasted. I'm going to go in with that piece of dog shit. And that one. We're going to go for some fried red onion. Now, if you're wondering why I used fried red onion, there's a really, really good reason for it. And that is because that's all I fucking have. No preference at all why I've used it, just because all I had was red onion. So, if you think that's finished there, you're sadly mistaken. We're going to go in now with some sriracha sauce. Now, that is a proper chili burger dog sort of thing. Anyway, let's get up here and slide this down my fucking gizzard. I've been psyching myself up for this one. Because if the fumes that come off it is any indication of how this is going to taste, I might be in A&E tomorrow. It said really mild chilies. How the fuck? It must be because I fried them, I don't know. But it were really, oh, they were harsh as fuck. Anyway, there it is. My burger chili dog. I'm just going to slide it down my fucking gizzard. Yeah. Got the thing. Got the stick. But nothing like the fucking fumes that come off it. It's back in my throat, but that's okay. Burger chili cheese dog. What a clump. You know what? I was terrified. I thought that was going to be absolutely horrendously hot. But it wasn't. It's hot. Don't get me wrong. It's burning the back of my throat, but it's a nice burn. You know, you love it. You know, you've had some chili when it's burnt the back of your throat and you're thinking, I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, that's done. Another video done. My house has been fumigated. But if you like it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, anything you like, whatever works for you. If you think it'll work for me, you use it. And subscribe. And become a member of #TeamCTB, where the man in charge here fucking loves you. It's your burger, but not any old burger. I've got some mince. I'm going to put some chilies in it, only mild chilies, just to give it a nice little bit of heat. I'm going to make them into kind of a little hot dog shape, put them in a hot dog bun with some cheese. Add some fried onions maybe, a bit of sriracha sauce, and Bob's your ankle. Bob's your ankle? Who the fucking hell's Bob your ankle? Wanker.